name is Buberino and welcome to another Rain GG video. We're gonna go to some battles and hope that we profit. So before I start, don't forget to use the link on the description or in the comment section or deposit Buberino 7 days and apply to get 5% bonus plus 3 free cases. So we're gonna start on jackpot mode with 3 versus 3. Vitality ascending. And we gonna 2020 just to warm up, spend some hundreds, and let's go. Okay, we got something. Bro, once again Mr. Bot just won. Jackpot mode sometimes it's not that good for us. So maybe originals. Okay, now we're gonna put a vitality, mixology. Okay, now we're gonna do which case. $50, yeah, $50 seems nice since we lost the last battle. Reclaim the gem bank, and okay, now we need something on the fishy case. Nope, nothing for us. Okay, the bot wants one once again, so we're gonna try to. Okay, let's put Sharon 3 players, and we're gonna go vitality ascending. Gonna go to the 20s maybe, and we're gonna just do the 359. 359. Okay, now Seren mode. I don't know if we will profit we did that, but we gonna try 21 cases. Okay, seems pretty good. Everybody got profit on this case. Okay, so first case so far so good. Now we gonna wait for the next ones. This one just went shit. Okay, a triple hit. Pretty nice. Oof. I wish that was a double hit. But overall, like, it's not going bad, you know. Still 15 cases to go. It's Spain, everybody got 100, so let's wait for the next ones. We need like another 2 or 3 rains and we are fine to go. 11 left. Ooh, okay, close. Close. Okay, shit. Bro, we need like something. We start dropping in the beginning, but now we ain't doing shit. Oh, thank you. Expensive taste. I hope it's an expensive drop too. Bro, like the worst. Freaking worst. Everybody needs to drop at least 100 more. Okay, perfect. still have 240. This bot will have okay 300. Now we need the last bot to drop something, just to pay a little bit, because we're still losing. And with 4 more cases to go, things are not looking really nice. 3 more cases. Okay, we're gonna take the L on this one. Bro. Little, okay. Let me just check. Bro, okay, it's not even paying still. Still not paying anything, and we lost. Still lost a little bit, bro. Still lost a little. So we're gonna come back again to the 2 versus 2. Gonna go to Vitality Ascending, and we're gonna go to a little bit more expensive cases, like these ones. Okay, 288, we have 86, so it has to be a less expensive case like this one, 8630. Okay, so guys, before start, don't forget, deposit Bubarino 7 days and apply, or use the link on the description or in the comment section to get 5% bonus plus 3 free cases upon your deposit. 1, 2, 3, let's go. Oops, forgot to call the bots. Now we're gonna call the bots. We freaking need this win, bro. Please give us something. Okay, he's on the lead. Double! Oh, perfect. This is so freaking good. This is so freaking good. 300 just right away. Bam! Now we need to drop even more just to have more percentages on the rain. Still not paying that much, you know. Okay, it's paying, but not. Double, another double. Damn, so close. But he's gonna pay so freaking much. Look at that Deagle, 130. And the WP is 261. Okay, we have so a lot of chance to profit, please. Bro, no freaking way. I shouldn't have done jackpot mode. The guy with 31% just freaking won 1.4k. Bro, I don't know what to say, but the video will end right there. So thank you guys for watching, thank you again for being here, and I see you again on the next video. Cheers!